log. This evening we'll be treating gamma ray log. And as you all know, gamma ray measures natural radioactivity of formation. In this case, borehole formation. The formation emits radiation, which come into the borehole, and as the logging tools for that gamma ray is lower down, it's going to record the natural radiation that come from that formation. Now, these radiations that we measure in geophysics are usually uranium-238, thorium-232, and potassium-40. These are the three major elements we use in dating, even in radiometrics. Now, in general, gamma ray logs show low readings in sand. Why? Because it's permeable. It can wash away those elements that can emit that radiation. And however, it shows high reading in shale. Why? Because shale has the capacity to trap radioactive elements. So radioactive elements are embedded in shale. And the degree of natural radioactivity for elements ranges. Is very low in anhydrite. That of anhydrite is less than that of salt. And that of salt is less than that of sand. That of sand is less than lime. Lime is less than shale sand. Shale sand is less than shaly lime. And sandy shale is less than limey shale. And limey shale is less than bentonite. Ash, organic shale, etc.
Sir.
One advantage. Hello.
Sir?
I'm with you.
How can we differentiate all these ones now? How will we be able to know that this one is lesser than this? What are the significance that will enable one to detect such?
It's not, you don't detect. I believe, Shebi, you are a geology student. Do you have your background in geology? Oh, no, you don't have your background in geology.
Yes, I didn't have my background in
geology. If you have your background in geology, you will understand this. Now, all these formation that I'm mentioning, anhydrite is a kind of anhydrite is a kind of salt that is not hydrated salt. You understand? Salt, you know what salt are? Salt, for example, if I take sodium chloride, it's made up of two elements, sodium and chloride. You understand? It's in salt. Then, now, like I mentioned, that sand does not have the capacity to trap the clay, this element that has radioactive capacity. But shale, because it has fine, it's not interconnected, the pores are not interconnected, it can trap it. The elements, I mentioned them, the uranium, thorium, and potassium, they can be trapped in shale because shale are finer grain, you understand? And if you look at the way it graduated, you see that the anhydrite, salt, sand, they have interconnected space. They can easily, those material can easily escape during formation. Olabode?
Sir. So,
Do you
sir,
understand now?
sir,
Should you understand
among
what
all
I'm
the,
saying? Eh?
sir, hello, sir. Among the
Hello?
radioactive elements, hello, sir.
Hello, I'm hearing you.
Sir, okay, among the radioactive elements, the one that will be trapped by the shell are the uranium, thorium, and the potassium.
If you listen to the general conversation when I starting this, I said the one that are important to us in geophysics is
Okay.
uranium 238, thorium 232, and potassium 40. If you ever been taught radiometrics, you will have had that. Olabode, haven't you had that before?
We have
Yes.
we are familiar with it, sir.
And then why are you asking the question? Do you want to test
Just
me? Now, so it's on a lighter mode anyway. You will see that those things is graduation. They are becoming finer. You see,
yes, sir.
I talk about sand, lime, shale sand, which means a small portion of shale in sand. So that small will trap it and make it. Then we have shaly lime, sandy shale, limey shale. Then you now have shale. After shale, then you now have bentonite, which are, and you know bentonites.
Yes, sir.
They are every kind of.
They help in cementing the walls of the borehole. We are using nice to cement the walls.
Sorry for that interruption. It's a call.
Okay, sir.
Now, so have you gotten that now?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear now?
The recap, sir.
Okay,
Network
can we
may
move?
disturb. Network.
We move ahead. Hello?
Sir,
Okay. Now, one advantage of gamma ray log is, are you clear with my explanation?
yes, sir.
Okay, good. One advantage of gamma ray log is that it can be run in a cased hole. I hope you understand that. We have open hole and cased hole. Most